So today I'm starting with the bulk, those footy jackets. The last series I made 6, but as samples. But now today I'm going to start with the footy of the jackets. So it's just going to be general videos. It won't be on the process because the process is already there, and it's my just to show what is happening here at the studio. So I've already cut all the pieces. It's now just but to sit in front of the machines and to do the work. So I'm going to start with the pockets now, and then what we'll do is it's my just now to do the sewing. It's a lovely day today. We've had a lot of rain again now, and also what has happened is that I'm slowly getting the studio ready for the painting that I want to do. So I'll do a little bit of work today, tomorrow on that, but now it's my first just to get these things going. I'm not in a rush with this work, because what I want to do is these things must be finished for the winter. So I'm not going to rush to do the work. I'm just going to do this as a nice project now. I'm not even going to feed the stuff through continuously like I usually do. I'm just going to make sure that all the panels and the stuff looks good. Yeah, but it is going well. I bought a roll yesterday for these jackets. So it's now just a matter of cutting the jackets and sewing them up. I still need to go and buy the zips. Of course, the place where I bought the roll of material, I don't like their haberdashery there. There's haberdashery section. There's always chaos there, and the people aren't helpful or friendly. And I did look at their zips, and I just don't think they didn't have any YKK zips, so the quality wasn't good. But yeah, so I'm not going to rush with these ones. So it's not just to make a video for the channel and to just to show what is going on here at the studio today. But yeah, so it's a lovely day today. I'm looking forward to painting here. It's been a long time, so I think it's going to be a lovely, turn out beautifully. I'm going to paint the floor as well, just to do a few things here. Okay.